Hi, Linda Sessions here, and welcome to week 7 of computer applications. Last week we finished up in Word, so make sure you get all of your Word assignments in before Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. That is February 26th. Make sure you get them turned in. After that, they'll be zeros. This week, starting March 27th, we are starting to look at Excel, which is Microsoft Office's spreadsheet program. It's used by a lot of accountants. A lot of businesses use it to track inventory. I use it each week when I pay my bills to see if I have enough money left over to go do something fun. So a lot of students prefer Excel to Word because you're not entering any graphics. You don't have to move them around and make sure you have them in the correct location. But you do have to make sure you enter in the numbers correctly. You have to format the cells. You have to use formulas in the cells, and it can be a lot of fun, I think. So let's go take a look in Blackboard what's actually happening this week. So from between February 27th and March 5th, make sure you do 10 minutes of time typing on typing.com. I will look at those dates to see if you've done typing that 10 minutes. Make sure if you're new to Excel, please take a few minutes and look over the very first chapter in Excel. So you're going to go in here to the module and you're going to click on the reading, and right here is the text. There's a lot of information, basic information on Excel, what a spreadsheet is, what a cell is, how to put information in. So make sure you read through that this week. YouTube help videos. There are 2 assignments that you have to do this week. Both are in Cengage, but there are YouTube help videos for both of those to help you be successful in this class and to learn about Excel as well. There is training. Make sure you do that training before you do these 2 projects. As I said, I think a lot of you will prefer Excel to Word. At least that's the way it's been the last couple of years. Don't wait until the end of the week to start working on this. Give yourself enough time. If you have questions, you can send me an email and I can get back with you and figure out what's going on. But don't wait until Sunday night to even start working on them. You might not have enough time to do the assignments. I am here for you. I want you to be successful, but you do need to put your time in for the class as well. Remember, this is a 3-credit hour class. So if you were in this face-to-face, we would meet a minimum of an hour and a half. If it was a hybrid class, we would meet for 3 hours if it's a face-to-face class. Then the rule of thumb is you're going to be spending 1 to 2 hours per week in addition to the time you're in class. So if you've got 3 hours in class, you're going to be spending another 3 to 6 hours doing assignments. So this class could take you 6 to 12 hours a week to complete your assignments. Now, breathe. It probably isn't going to take you that long, but it could. So make sure you plan accordingly. Don't wait until the last minute to start working on assignments. Make sure you leave yourself time. If you have questions, you can reach out to me, and I have time to answer, and we can reach out and get together if we need to. I want you to be successful in class. Make sure you do your part as well. Email me in Blackboard if you need to. Send me a message in Navigate. I'm recording this Friday evening around 5:30, and it's starting to get nasty out, so stay safe, stay warm, and have fun learning about Excel this next week.